Hello, student leaders and educators. My name is Ron Ippolito, and I am the Vice President of CADA, the California Association of Directors of Activities, and I am very excited to see you very soon in Pasadena for the Area E Student Leadership Conference 2019, Area E Backstage. One of my favorite authors and speakers, his name is Simon Sinek, and he has this thing called Start With Why, where he basically says before you do anything else, you want to start by thinking, why am I doing what I'm doing? Why am I participating in this project or activity? So I'm going to challenge you to ask yourself the question, why are you coming to the Area E Student Leadership Conference? Maybe because you want to get some better rally ideas, or maybe some lunchtime activities, or maybe you want to find out some ways to better incorporate technology into your leadership program. Whatever your reason is, you want to think about that and have that mindset of, I'm going to this conference to make my school a better place. So start with why. Why are you coming to this leadership conference? This presentation will hopefully serve to answer many of the frequently asked questions that you might have either as a student leader or as an educator coming to the Area E Student Leadership Conference. First of all, let's start off with food. The Pasadena Convention Center provides us with donut and juice service in the morning. That'll be out in the outdoor plaza area, so as soon as you get off the bus, it'll be right out there between 8 and 8:30 a.m. And then for lunch, we're going to have a turkey sandwich box lunch. That'll be served at 12:30 p.m. If you are vegan or if you need a gluten-free lunch or you have some other food allergies, that's no problem. You just go ahead and speak to any one of the members of the catering staff, and they'll be happy to help you out. Water stations are provided throughout the conference area, so make sure you stay hydrated. And if you think you'll be hungry during workshop time, just make sure to bring a snack or a granola bar or a piece of fruit or something with you so that you can be focused and energized throughout the conference. Now, let's have a quick word about Starbucks, because there is a small Starbucks there on the property at the Pasadena Convention Center. However, there is no way that they could handle the volume of business that they would get if they had nearly 2,800 teenagers going and rushing the Starbucks. Waiting to be served in a small Starbucks would also mean that hundreds of students would be walking in late to sessions, and worse, they'd be walking in late with a Starbucks. And if there's one rule, it's you never walk into class late with a Starbucks. If you're an adult, you never walk into work late with a Starbucks. You should never walk into anything late with a Starbucks. Therefore, we have our own Starbucks security, true story, who will be enforcing our no Starbucks rule during workshop time. So we just ask, you know what? If you really need your Starbucks, just wait till you get home and then you can enjoy your Starbucks there. You are attending a student leadership conference, and so we expect each and every student to act like a leader. One of the ways that you can do that is by attending every single session. You can also listen and take notes in every session. Additionally, you can participate when it's appropriate to participate. Get excited and rowdy when your presenter encourages that behavior, if it's a speaker or if it's a workshop presenter, and they want you to get up, make noise, be really loud, then of course you want to do that. Otherwise, please be a great listener the rest of the time. And I'm actually going to speak not only to our student leaders, but to our adults as well. Because sometimes when we get in those keynotes or even in those workshop sessions, sometimes adults are maybe talking in the back, or students may be talking in the back of the room, and it's very distracting to the people who are really trying to get the most out of this workshop day. So we just ask adults, if you do need to have a conversation or if you do need to take a phone call, we understand that adults have adult responsibilities and students back at school and classrooms and families, and so we just ask educators, if you do need to have a conversation, just take it outside so that we don't disturb any of the students who are learning there. Thank you. Another way that you can act like a leader is by staying on the property. You are required to stay at the Pasadena Convention Center and not go off-site at any time. We ask that you attend all of your ticketed sessions. We have just enough space for all of the students that we gave tickets to, so please attend only your ticketed sessions. Finally, we ask that you be inclusive and that you make room for everyone. Sometimes at some workshops, and adults are guilty of this too sometimes, we save seats for multiple people, or we're setting our stuff down, and some of these sessions are going to get really full. So we do ask that you slide all the way over, that you make room for everyone so that everyone can take a seat, and so we have enough room for everyone to learn. We also ask that you please follow the directions of CADA volunteers and the conference staff. And finally, just some final things on ways that you can act like a leader. Have an open mind, meet new people, make new connections, listen to the great ideas that you hear from both students and adults, and finally, have fun. This is a great opportunity for you to get away from the school for a day, and not only are you going to be attending workshops, but at the end, after lunch, there's a dance. Middle school students, you're going to be attending a middle school dance. High school students, you'll be attending a high school dance. Both dances are going to be brought to you by SOS Entertainment, amazing DJs that we're going to be getting for both dances, so we're really looking forward to a great day. On behalf of everyone at CADA and on the Area E Council, we are so excited to have you join us this Thursday, October 3rd, at the CADA Area E Student Leadership Conference 2019 at the Pasadena Convention Center. We'll see you soon. Thank you.